a swirl of glitter light and watch a unicorn take flight. Draw a magical friend, let your imagination grow. With FineArt Drawing Academy, we can start the show. Draw a magical friend, let your imagination grow. Draw a magical friend. Ha! Let's draw! Drawing is fun for everyone. Grab your markers, join the show. Watch the purple colors glow. FineArt Drawing Academy. Step by step, wild and free. Ha ha! Welcome to